Jude's not doing an oil change at Meineke. How many oil changes have you done in the last few weeks?
I'll count. You just show them what you have.
So if Jude worked at another Meineke shop, Jude would probably do 10 oil changes a day. That's probably per technician. Not here at this Meineke.
78 in 5 weeks.
78 oil changes in 5 weeks, just Jude alone. And Caleb probably does just as many, and I do the least amount.
Yeah.
And we're not a quick lube. Anyway, what are you doing here?
Cylinder 2 injector.
So you have a GDI, that's gas direct injection, and he wants to know how to get the injector up. I don't know.
I just don't want to yank it
That
out.
bolts down?
Yeah, I already got the bolts out.
Oh, I like that. So you're doing cylinder 2?
But I already have the bolts
Well,
out.
why don't you just yank it out?
I thought the same thing, and then...
Hold on. I got an idea. Hold this.
Hold it.
I have an idea.
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe? Look,
Let's
crank
try
that
it.
down over top that bitch, make it fucking tight, and bam that bitch right out.
With what, though?
It's a little strokey tool.
Let's try it. Let's see if
Actually,
it
what would be
works.
cool is if I turn this, one of these. Oh, I got you, Jude. I got you. Watch this. This is the proper way to do it. You need an extension that fits really well, though. And that would be perfect. And then you like stroke, 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 stroke. Let's start with getting this on there tight, right?
Yep.
And then we'll talk about how you're going to get it out. Because then I'll have to field engineer something else. Because that would work good. A spanky, spanky, spanky. A spanky, spanky, spanky. So let me show you what I mean by spanky, spanky, spanky. You need a little something to slide on. You know what I mean? Like. What do we got, Jude? What do we got to make our lives simpler? I mean, it may not even be necessary to do all that. But you know what I'm talking about. Pan, mini slide hammer.
That's
But I think this is going to work well for you to figure out how to crank it down on that thing and just see if you can pull it out by hand. So these things are for stud extractors, but we're going to say they're multi-purpose since we don't have the proper puller tool. Oh no, here comes trouble.
Why are you selling me trailer tires like I can
Rachel is available. She's looking to have kids,
No,
a picket
no,
white
I'm not.
fence, and a rich man.